Getting my walk on, Jacksonville, Florida. Today is November 14th, 2018. November 14th, 2018. Yes, indeed. About 5 minutes after 6 a.m. 5 minutes after 6 a.m. Out here getting my walk on. The temperature feels pretty good to me. 6 to 8 degrees, look like rain. 6 to 8 degrees, look like rain in Jacksonville, Florida. Feel good to me. See what I got on? Short sleeve shirt, pants, everything. Like my videos, subscribe to my videos, make comments to my videos. I'ma keep them coming, y'all. I'll run a little bit for y'all. Yeah, I'm running now. Yeah, I'm running. 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 Woo. Yes, indeed. Walking now, getting my walk. Kind of dark. Working out, people. 6 a.m. About 15 after 6 now a.m. Jacksonville, Florida, November the 15th, 2018. I am Jake Locksmith, Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Getting my workout on. I know y'all hear me breathing hard. Got it.